Hello, this is question 20 from the Foundation Paper 2 in November 2023. Part A asks us to complete the table of values for the given equation, and Part B asks us to draw the graph of the given equation. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. In Part A, we're asked to complete the table of values for y equals x squared, take away x, take away 2. So we're told what y is when x is minus 2 and 1, and we want to work out the values when x is minus 1, 0, 2 and 3. So if we start with x is equal to minus 1, then we can see y is equal to x squared, so we need to do minus 1 squared, and then take away x, so take away, but our x is negative 1, so we're taking away negative 1, and then take away 2. So here we can see minus 1 times minus 1 is going to be positive 1, because we've got a negative times a negative. And then we've got take away a negative, so that's going to be an add, and then take away 2. So we've got 1 add 1 is 2, take away the 2 means that when x is minus 1, our y will be 0. Next, if we look at x is equal to 0, we can see that y is x squared, so we've got 0 squared, take away x, so take away 0, take away 2. So 0 squared is still 0, and then take away 0, take away 2. So we've just basically got the take away 2, which is negative 2. Got x equals 2. So y will equal x squared, so we've got 2 squared, take away x, take away 2, and then take away 2 again. So 2 squared is 4, and then we have take away 2, take away 2. So 4 take away 2 is 2, take away another 2 means we're back to 0. So when x is 2, y is 0. We can see we're getting that symmetrical bucket shape because we've got the negative 2, negative 2, and then either side we have the 0 and 0. So we're hoping this value here is going to be 4. So we can check, we've got x equals 3, and we can see that y will equal x squared, so we've got 3 squared, take away x, so take away the 3, and then take away the 2. 3 squared is 9, and then we've got take away 3, take away 2. 9 take away 3 is 6. Take away 2 will give us the 4, which is what we were expecting. Part B says on the grid, draw the graph of y equals x squared, take away x, take away 2, for values of x from negative 2 to 3. So this is looking at what we've done in Part A. Here we've got our x values from negative 2 through to 3, and our y's have been worked out as y is equal to x squared, take away x, take away 2. So we're plotting each of these coordinates. So the first coordinate we've got is x is minus 2 when y is 4. So x is minus 2, y is 4. X is minus 1 when y is 0. X is 0 when y is minus 2. X is 1 when y is minus 2. X is 2 when y is 0, and x is 3 when y is 4. So now we want to do a freehand line through the points. Like so. This is a 4-mark question. There's 2 marks available for part A and 2 marks available for part B. If you filled in all 4 spaces correctly, you will get the 2 marks in part A. Otherwise, there is 1 mark available if you get 2 or 3 of them correct. If you draw a fully correct curve, then you will get the 2 marks. Otherwise, there is a mark available for getting at least 4 points correct. So 4 correct, then that is worth 1 mark. I hope you found that helpful.